Unboxing Anker Solix C1000 Gen 2 Portable Power Station. Let's see what's inside. Thank you for choosing Anker Solix. Ipa-message sila. Then, out of the box, the warranty card, 5-year warranty, and the manual. Next, let's open this up. Medyo secure kasi to. Magandang packaging niya, in fairness. Yan, ayun na yung mismong Anker Solix. So, dito may nakalagay ng ipapower daw niya yung essential appliances mo. Kung 2-door fridge, 70 to 14 hours. Kung microwave, 700 watts, 1.3 hours. Kung CPAP machine, kung nag-i-snore ka, 40 watts, 15 hours daw. Oxygen tank, 300 watts, 3 hours. Kung gagamitin mo siya pang wifi, which is 10 watts, 60 hours. And kung computer monitor, 9.1 hours. So, yun yung capacity niya. So, 1024 watt hour, 2000 watts. Mabilis daw siya mag-recharge in 49 minutes, 100% na. May 9 ports siya. And 4,000 cycles that can last to 10 years. So, right. Go back again in the box. And it's heavy. I just pull it up. There you go. That's it. Anker Solix. And ayun yung baba niya. Meron din siyang accessory box here. Ito lang yung laman ng box. Ayan. Tsaka ito yung manual and all. Okay. Let's see. Mga kable, yung accessory box niya. There you go. You have power cables, mga heavy duty to. Yan. Power cable. Pang charge sa kanya.